Hey, how are you doing today? Are you alright? We will learn science together today. Science. We will learn about animals, mammals, and birds. What are mammals? What are birds? We will find out. Let's begin. Now, I will show you some animals. Can you tell me their names? Can you tell me their names? Yes? Here we go. What is this animal? What is it called? Giraffe. What is this animal called? Lion. What about this one? What is it? Hippo. Hippo. And this one? Eagle. How about this one? Monkey. And this one? Elephant. We have a lot of elephants in Cambodia. Zebra. Zebra, black and white. The last one is in pink color. What is it called? Flamingo. Flamingo. Which one of these animals do you like the most? Would you choose lion or flamingo or hippo or even monkey? Monkey is looking good. What do animals eat? What do they eat? We eat meat, fruit, vegetables. What about animals? What do they eat? Some animals eat meat. Some animals eat plants. Animals that eat meat are called carnivore. Carnivore. Animals that eat plants called herbivore. Herbivore. What about us? What about us people? We eat meat and we eat plants. What are we called? We are called omnivore. Omnivore. It means we eat both meat and we eat plants. Omnivore, carnivore, herbivore, omnivore. Now, can you write 5 examples for herbivore and carnivore? Can you write 5 animal names for herbivore and carnivore? Let's see. Can you think of 5 animal names? Giraffe. Is giraffe herbivore or carnivore? Giraffe eats grass and plants, so giraffe is herbivore. How about lion? Lion eats meat, so lions are carnivore. How about an elephant? Do elephants eat meat or do they eat plant? So they are also herbivore. How about an eagle? Do eagles eat meat or do they eat plants? They eat meat, so they are also carnivore. Now, let's look at mammals and birds. Which animals are mammals? Which animals are birds? Let's start with mammals. Mammals are born live. They are born live. They don't come from an egg. They have hair on their body. They have hair on their body. They usually have 4 legs. They usually have 4 legs. And they drink milk. Mammals like milk. They drink milk from their moms. And they have bones in their body. Mammals have bones in their body. Let's give some example for mammals. Let's take a look at lion. Lion. Is lion a mammal? Lion is born live. It doesn't come from an egg. Lion has hair on its body. Good. Lion has 4 legs. Yes. Lion drinks milk. Yes. Lion has bones in its body. Yes. So lion is a mammal. How about a chicken? Is chicken born live or does it come from an egg? Chicken comes from an egg. It isn't born live. So chicken is not a mammal. Chicken, you're not a mammal. Now let's look at birds. Birds. Birds lay eggs. Birds lay eggs. They don't have hair. They have feathers on their body. Feather. And birds can fly. They can usually fly. They have 2 legs, 2 wings, and a beak. Birds have a beak. And they also have bones in their body. Now let's look at the duck. Is duck a bird? Duck lays an egg, right? Good. Duck can fly. Yes. Duck has feathers on its body. Yes. A duck has 2 legs, 2 wings, and a beak. Yes. A duck has bones in its body. Yes. So duck is a bird. Lion is a mammal. Duck is a bird. Okay, that's it for today. See you soon at school. Bye bye.